fucking in your face. And so there's like, it feels like there's going to be a lot of people who don't even bother like saying that, oh, I purchased this service, I purchased that good. What's the point? But you're going to reject it. Right? There's going to be a lot of behavioral change like that. Right? And that you can't just capture just by keeping track of all the purchase orders. Right? So you would need the runway basically to do that. And it's been a fucking nightmare doing it. Well, not a right nightmare, but like just really, really tedious because like I've had to use like 10 different spreadsheets, like 10 different data sources, like combine all of that into one like master like database. Fucking like 300,000 times long. And like just that, and then checking it, make sure you're using the right exchange rates, that I copied the data correctly, using the right dates. It's just taking a lot of time.
Grosvenor Park Road.
And then so that's what I've been doing. Probably going to work a little bit more tomorrow in the evening just to do some final checks. Because this is going to be a very critical piece of the puzzle, right? Because we get paid based on what we save that, right? So it has to be right. So I'll probably work a little bit more in the evening tomorrow. And then next week, the partner was like, oh, I think they're paying too much for their freight, like the road freight, right? Like the delivery vans, from the port to the warehouse, and then
69 to Canning Town bus station.
They're very expensive. So I have to do that analysis next and work out potentially how much they can save on their freight. So it should be quite a busy couple of weeks. But the bit that I was doing right now,
Grove Road.
The main bit of it, like I've set the spreadsheet up on elements. I think it's good. It's also it's a really powerful piece of analysis as well, because then part of what the CFO and the customer is saying, we buy a like tech service, for example, but we won't have like a set price for it. Like we pay a little bit more in some instances, a little bit less in other instances. So it'd be a good way to see like what they would be spending on a pencil across the year if they use the lowest price that they had in 2023. So it'd be a good way to like quantify it and just like think about like number one, what the savings could be. And number two, more importantly, because we're going to get like thousands of purchase orders, which we want to do, and it's not really possible to do that. Just to be a little bit more targeted, right? Supply, number one, that we're going to focus on, and products, specific products that have seen a lot of difference in the prices that we pay. So it's not boring you with the details of like how I'm thinking about this, but
Then you want to do the
No. We're going to be running the team over there. So the consulting us is what's called a procurement control tower. So like control tower. So like every single purchase order, a work order, about 500,000 comes to us for delivery. And there's going to be thousands of them. Nothing thousands. It's not going to be like possible to go through. Have to be very targeted, which is why I think like this analysis should help us pick those vendors that we want to keep in mind. We also have like vendor X, vendor Y, vendor X is the guy that we've identified with a lot of differences in prices. You can say I can focus on this and I get the right price. like you need to take like say take a portion of that land. So once everything's covered for us, then at the lower level of the partners then take their share. So from this share we gave neighbourhoods back. That much to do with that one.
Leyton Green.
But it's like a year-long project and it's like a big, huge conservation. Multi-billion-dollar companies. Even one percent of that. So you remember that? The project I did in Japan. So the partner brought along to India. Me and the senior director who Turkish chapter. So we were talking about that how much he actually need us to do based on one plan. And we can put it.
69.
Sorry?
To
Yeah, but it was like
Canning Town bus station.
yeah, so we were a very small part of like so we were doing it was like 35 or 40 factories that we were looking at and this guy brought this model. And we were like, yeah, it must have been like
हाँ तो किधर ही
It's on like calls, 9 a.m. meetings for us, which is like, we're doing it like 2 a.m.
पता नहीं कि इलावा मासी दुबई इलावा मासी मैं खबर लगी पॉइंट कितने 4 चीज कितना नहीं ज़्यादा चाहिए कोई करने लायक कोई चीज नहीं है बताई बयानी इतने रोज 4 दिहाड़े खा सो अगर होगा भी तो पूरा वैरायटी आता है करी क्या है दो अपना कला ना ये वो किनन बाड़ सा गया किनन खाने ना बाड़ तभी टाइम में आया कि हर चीज ना अपना भी मैं जाना मैं जाना भी होना सा लेना सा नहीं होते ये मैं अपनी ना पर प्लान ना नेक्स्ट टाइम